What's up, Malik Squad? I hope you're all doing fine. Today's video is very interesting. I'm gonna take you to a blacksmith here in a Ugandan village and show you how a knife is made from like square one, from zero to like a whole knife. Let's go straight to the video. So guys, now we are at the fog. Basically this is like a blacksmith place where they do make these metallic things. The knives, you can see this knife over here. I'm gonna show you process by process how they come up with such a knife. And believe it or not guys, this knife goes for 500 Ugandan shillings. That is like less than $1 for one knife.
For $1, how many knives do you get?
Like six knives for $1. Okay, so come with me.
And I'm videoing you.
Guys, this is the fire. This is what they call the fog here. This is what's used to heat the metal. Like, it has to be very hot, and by blowing it you have to keep it hot every time you want to heat something. Let me show you how it's blown. And they're using charcoal. The fire burning, to keep the fire burning. He's like blowing the fire basically. I don't know how they made this thing, but as you can see, when as he's doing this, the fire becomes a bit hotter. I don't know guys what this thing is made of. Guys, I know it's a bit dark over here. It's late and we are almost leaving, so we have to do it for you guys now. But at least you can see something. I hope you can see something at least. Guys, after heating the metal, this is where they have to shape it. And by shaping is hitting it like this with this very heavy metal. And you can see the young boy knows how to do it. He has mastered the art. And you hit it until it gets to a desired shape, the one that you want. Because this is like shaping of the metal. As someone else is hitting the metals to make the desired shape, another person is decorating the handle. You can see these are already ready-made knives. Someone else is decorating the handles of the knife. This is after joining the metal on the wood. Someone is now decorating. This young boy is decorating the handles of the knife. And what they have done, this is like a wood. So they have just and they have designed it from this. One part goes inside. So it's cut into two, and one part goes inside here, like this, when it's cut into two. So it becomes a knife, just like that. I showed you a knife in the beginning of this video, so this is how, from where they start until the end product. Let me show you one end product of the knife. This is a naked knife. Now, unlike like this one is already cut.
This one there.
This one's are too nice, right? So when they cut it, it's already as you can see, I have two knives meat here. One is a bit smaller, and I have this one. I know guys, it's getting darker. And what they are doing right here, this is where the sharpening of the knife happens. So guys, these are two knives that I'm holding. We have this one and we have this one. You can see the difference. This one is not designed, and this one is a designed knife. Like I showed you how they designed the knife. This one is a designed knife. So undesigned and a designed one. And one thing I realized about these knives, guys, is that they are very, very sharp and strong. Very hard metal, sharp and strong knife.
Did you know that not everyone in my village does this? It's a specific clan that does this.
The knife. Why is that?
Because all clans have specific economic activity that they should do. So basically this one, the blacksmith is for my clan. They are called sachets.
Oh, so for your clan you can practice.
So when I came here first, I know that they are my brothers because they are from the same clan. Yeah, and they are the only people who do it. Even in town, you saw those people were selling them. Yeah, they are all from here. So I just walk to them and I know that they are married.
Oh wow!
They hold them, but we stay in villages, and every village is only the members of that clan that stay there.
Okay.
And the whole of this place where we moved up to here is one clan.
Okay.
And when you go to another village, it's another clan, and they have their other economic activity that they do. And when they want knives, they have to come to our village. And then there's another clan that does fishing, another one that is known for farming on large scale. Because the first is subsistence farming, and we do this. Yeah, but we not only do knives, but we also do like handcraft, like those animals, like all the crafting that can be crafted. Yeah, we do them. Basically, that's what I want to do, subscribers to know that we have, like, our tribe is organized in clans, and those clans do specific things. Yeah.
Wow, did you know that, guys? Did you know that? Oh, thank you so much, African Nyako. She has gone. Thank you so much for teaching me this. And guys, thank you so much for sticking around to this part. I hope you've learned something. I hope you've enjoyed. If you haven't joined this family, please do so. Also subscribe to African Nyako, guys, and tell her Malika sent you there. Thank you so much, guys, and see you on the next one. Bye. Say subscribe. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Okay.
Subscribe.
One.
Subscribe.